Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This printer is Canon PIXMA TR4755I. It's a multifunctional printer. You can print, copy and scan. What I want to do is to show you how to copy documents. To copy the document, open the glass scanner, stick the document you want to copy face down. Make sure the document starts from the top left side. There is arrow on the top. Then close the scanner, then select menu to put the printer in copy mode. So you press this button to put the printer in a copy mode. It will show you color and black. Then to copy black document, then you select this button. So if you want to copy color, you put the document, then select copy color. Now I want us to copy using ADF. Stick the document want to copy on the ADF. Make sure the document face up. Then you select copy. Document we copied with ADF. Thank you very much.